Hello and welcome. Today, we will be going over how to clean your SATO label printer. If the interior of the printer is dusty or dirty, print quality can decline. If you have noticed a decline in print quality, such as faded labels, the following steps can help regain print quality. Open the media cover and remove the print media if present. Locate the printhead and the media sensor. Take a cotton swab or cloth dipped in rubbing alcohol and rub the printhead from side to side, removing any dust or ink buildup. Make sure to clean the media sensor as well. After cleaning, do not use the printer for at least 10 minutes to allow the cleaning agent to evaporate completely. Insert the print media and close the cover. Your printer is now ready for use, and your labels should print properly. If you have any questions or wish for further training, please contact us. Our tech support line is available Monday through Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern and 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.